Welcome to Truehost Academy, where we guide you through the best strategies and tools to grow your business. In today's video, we'll be talking about the best free email marketing tools to help your business thrive without breaking the bank. Email marketing is one of the most effective ways to connect with your audience, nurture leads, and drive conversions. With a high return on investment, email marketing allows businesses to build meaningful relationships. Let's dive into the top free tools you can use right now to kickstart your email marketing journey. 1. MailerLite. First up, we have MailerLite, a user-friendly platform that makes email marketing simple. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced marketer, MailerLite's drag-and-drop editor and customizable templates will help you create beautiful, professional emails. With the free plan, you can manage up to 1,000 subscribers and send up to 12,000 emails per month. You also get access to automation workflows, landing pages, and pop-ups. Everything you need to grow your list and engage with your audience. It's the perfect tool to get started. 2. HubSpot Email. Next, we have HubSpot Email. As part of the HubSpot CRM platform, this tool offers a seamless way to create, send, and track your email campaigns. The free plan allows you to send up to 2,000 emails per month and gives you access to pre-designed templates. Plus, you get to integrate with HubSpot CRM, making it easier to manage contacts and streamline your marketing efforts. 3. Sender.net. For a straightforward yet powerful tool, try Sender.net. It's perfect for businesses of all sizes, offering email automation, segmentation, and robust analytics. On the free plan, you can manage up to 2,500 subscribers and send up to 15,000 emails per month. It's packed with premium features like automation workflows and customizable templates, but keep in mind that it does include branding on your emails. 4. Brevo. Formerly known as Sendinblue, Brevo is an all-in-one marketing platform that offers email, SMS, and chat marketing. With Brevo's free plan, you can send up to 300 emails per day to unlimited contacts, making it perfect for businesses looking to communicate through both email and SMS. You also get access to templates and automation, which helps you stay connected with your audience across different platforms. 5. Muzen is an intuitive platform with powerful automation features and easy-to-use templates. With the free plan, you can manage up to 1,000 subscribers and send unlimited emails. It's a great choice for businesses focused on automation and advanced analytics to improve their email marketing efforts. 6. OmniSend. If you run an e-commerce business, OmniSend is a fantastic choice. It offers features tailored for online stores like email automation and integrations with popular e-commerce platforms. The free trial allows you to send up to 500 emails per month to 250 subscribers, giving you a chance to test its full capabilities before committing to a paid plan. 7. Beehive. Lastly, we have Beehive, a tool designed for newsletter creators and businesses looking to build their audience. The free plan lets you manage unlimited subscribers and send up to 10,000 emails per month. It's a great option for anyone focusing on growing their email list while keeping engagement high. Bonus. Truehost email marketing tool. Now, as a bonus, let's talk about Truehost, an email marketing solution designed specifically for businesses in Kenya. Truehost allows you to send bulk emails, manage subscriber lists, and track campaign performance. It integrates with Truehost's email hosting services, providing secure communication and reliable delivery. The platform is user-friendly, and local support makes it ideal for businesses looking for a cost-effective and efficient solution. In conclusion, email marketing is a powerful tool for growing your business by building strong connections with your audience. With options like MailerLite, HubSpot Email, and Sender.net, you can manage thousands of subscribers and send emails easily. Brevo, formerly Sendinblue, offers multi-channel communication, while Muzen and OmniSend focus on automation and e-commerce solutions. For those creating newsletters, Beehive stands out. Lastly, Truehost's email marketing tool offers an affordable and efficient solution tailored to businesses in Kenya, making it easy to manage bulk emails and track performance. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to Truehost Academy for more insights and tips. Let's continue growing your business one step at a time.